Is it bad? Is it too warm? Do you think? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's too warm. I don't think it's too warm. Her legs are bad. And she got hiccups. 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 Let's do this hand like this. All right. Look at the bath. He's got it bad. She's getting a bath. She got warm water, Daddy. He got bath. He's got it bath and hiccups. He's got soap on her butt.
Hey, cutie. She looks like she's ready to take off now.
Let's do this butt. Let's wash the buns.
Hey, where you going? Where you going?
This one.
Do you ever put water over her eyes or her head?
She likes it.
Does she?
Let's do this. Some shampoo. Let's do some shampoo.
You better smell good.
Be sure and watch my mohawk, Mama.
It's a family affair, this bath. It's a family affair.
Hey.
Let's rinse.
She's blowing bubbles.
Let's rinse. Let's rinse this.
She said, oh, I'm going to drink some of it too.
All right, who's got the towel?
I do.